All right, guys. Well, we are done here in Sparta, New Jersey. This is it was interesting getting everything up from the driveway. Let me take you over there first. Happy birthday to me. This is what I do on my birthday. I'm 36 today. And if any of you believe that, I'll tell you another one. But the truck and trailer is way down the driveway. And we had to bring everything up through here, up this hill and in here, but it worked out well. We brought extra people for this job, and the homeowners, Eric and Kevin, they all helped out. So this is a 8x8 custom red cedar Tiki bar with a door reed Viva 3.0. And what else do we have? No stools on this one. They have their own chairs. But we got a ceiling fan in this one. We got rope lighting, as it goes with every bar, cabinets, you know, the whole 9 yards. Ice bin. We put that pole in there, mounted that piece of plywood, which we painted black. That's going to be the backer for the TV. They're going to hang a TV up there. And you got a live well, or, you know, whatever you want to call that. And the switch controls everything in the ceiling. And yes, I'm tired, guys. And glass door refrigerator, which I believe this one, yep, lights up when you open it. So that is pretty much it for this project. There's Walt and Daniel. And I don't know what happened to the Big Kahuna and Krabby Larry, but I think they're closing up the trailer. It's 3 o'clock. We got a couple hour drive home. And then I'm going to do a birthday shot when I get home. 36 years old. Sure. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think. If you like my content, please like, follow, and share. I'm tired. Oh, let's go around the bar this way. There's Kevin. That's Tiki Kev 2.0. He's taking over the business. He's got the right name. That's right. He's got a good attitude. I'm just going to will it over to him. There's our bar chairs there. Oh, wait a second. I forgot to do one thing. Whoa, who made this? Yeah, Tiki Kev. All right, guys. From Sparta, New Jersey, the Tiki Kev crew today is Daniel, Walt, Krabby Larry, and the Big Kahuna, Bob. So, signing off from Sparta, New Jersey.